Today, I want to suggest a book on financial literacy. Why financial literacy is important to each and everyone is if you want to develop, multiply your wealth, certain things are required. Number one, you should know about what you're going to do with the money and how to save the money, how to control the expenses, how to grow for the future. So these things are important for financial growth. And number one, reading books. Number two, following financial successful people. And number three, following the influencers in the social media. These are very important and easy way to do it. And the primary thing, reading a book, I want to suggest a very, very interesting and bestseller, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Many people know about this book, but whether they have taken the step to read it or not is very, very important. My video about the content in the book may induce you to buy the book and read it. There are certain points highlighted in the book, and I want to tell about the top 5 points mentioned in the book which will make you change, make you rich and richer. Number one, the poor and middle class work for money, but the money will work for the rich. That's how they invest and do it. Number two, it's not how much money you make that matters. It is how much money you keep after making your expenses. Number three, rich people acquire assets. The poor and the middle class acquire liabilities which they think it is asset, which is a very, very important point. Number four, financial aptitude is what you do with the money which you make, how you keep people from taking it from you, how to keep it longer, and how you make money work hard for you. Number five, the single most powerful asset we have is our minds. So these are the top 5 important points given and narrated in the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Read it, you get enlightened about the financial literacy, which is very, very important. I mostly insist on my videos to have financial literacy to everyone. Everybody in the world should make money, and nobody should hung for money with anyone. So whatever you get, make sure you multiply it for future. Thank you. Bye.